your subscribers. They'll tell you how you can easily connect your outlet to your code. So for doing this, you just need to open Xcode. Now just go to your storyboard. In the storyboard, just add some objects. So for example, label, just add it from here. So after, just move it to your view. So after, just tap here, just open here your file you want to connect, your class you want to connect to your label, and after just tap on control button and just move this label here to your class. Also you can do it from here. Sorry. So here you can see that we successfully added to our outlet. Also you can move it and create for new, because I just created previously also for and here you can see our connection. So it will be here. Here you will see all the outlets for our controller. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.